Hey guys, it's Rain, and this was my first GTA character. His name was Chicken Nug, and he's ranked 169, and I've had him since December 24th, 2014. And the date is August 11th, 2016. This is a 2-year-old character, and sadly, I'm gonna delete it. There's a new glitch up to where I can get a completely invisible body, and I'm kind of wanting to restart anyway, so Chicken Nug will be gone, and he will be missed. So, are you sure you want to delete this character? Yes. Type delete. Delete. Deleting character from GTA 5 Online. Please do not turn off your console. It's gone. RIP Chicken Nug. December 24th, 2014 to August 11th, 2016. Rest in chicken nugget hell.